Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December 25th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on how my Roselle Red Hibiscus seedlings are doing. And they are starting to get their true leaves. This one here, camera focus, there we go, is starting to get its true leaves there. I'm going to start feeding them with a product called Sea Magic. It's an organic product, and I'll have a link down in the description for it, and I will feed these every other week with that mixture. And because this is going to be an edible thing, like you can make teas and jellies and jams out of it, I wanted to go with an organic plant food for it. And you can feed it every 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to feed mine every 2 weeks. And all the directions are on there for how to mix it and then how to use it. And just wanted to give you this quick update on how these are growing here. Now, these still are on the heated floor, and they are growing faster than the one that I have up here. Hold on a moment. Then this one up here. This one up here is just kind of sitting here. It has been getting warmer in the greenhouse. The sun's been out a lot more, but we had some really cold nights, and you know, we have the heat on and everything else, but what I've noticed with this one here is it is growing faster on the heated floor than what it's growing up on the shelf. So this one here actually came up before the ones on the floor that have their true leaves. So there's definitely a difference for how fast they're growing. And as these continue to get bigger, I will switch them then to another plant food. And as these continue to get larger then, and when I transplant them, I will switch them to a different organic plant food. I'll probably use the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food on them. But being that they're little, I don't want to put a slow release plant food in with them because I don't want to burn the root systems on them. So I'm just going to stick with the liquid, so I'm just going to stick with the Sea Magic for feeding these for now. And I am doing a playlist for how to grow Roselle Red Hibiscus from seed, and it's going to have all the update videos in it. So this video is going to be in it, and then how to start it from seed is in there, so you can check that out on there. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you up what new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!